Hello, I am Sigar Dave and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how we can change the root site collection site in the SharePoint Online. To do this, you must have an access to the SharePoint administrator site. I assume you have already the SharePoint administrator user rights and logged in with that. Currently, I am logging with my developer tenant, and this is one of my user who is having the SharePoint administrator rights. So to get started, first of all, we need to click here in the left hand side top corner, which is called as App Launcher, and select Admin. This will navigate you in the new tab and open up the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on Show All, and select SharePoint under Admin Center section. This will again open up a new tab with SharePoint Admin Center in it. Now we want to navigate to sites listing, and to do so we will click on the active sites under sites section. This grid has all the sites available in this tenant. We are specifically looking for the site which has our site collection URL. In our case, our root site collection URL. So as you can see, this leadership collection site name has the site collection URL, which is a root site collection URL. If I select this, you can see it is having one more option called as replace the root site with a different site. Before doing that, let me show what is my actual root site collection site at this time. It is called as leadership collection connection, and this is the content. Now, when I click on this replace site, it will open up this panel. The message is saying like specify a different site to use as the root or top level site collection site for your organization. The site you select must be a team site or a communication site. It can't be a hub site or connected to a Microsoft 365 group. So if I try to select any hub site or a Microsoft 365 group site, it will show some error message which we will see in a moment. And here is the text box to provide a URL of the site which I wanted to be my root site collection site. Okay, and the existing site will be moved to an archive like a different URL. Okay, so let's say I have one of my site called as communication site. I think this one, and I will copy its link and paste it. As you can see, after processing, the site is ready. So that means I can use this communication site to replace my existing leadership connection site. Now I will click on save. It will take some time to replace my root site collection. Let's wait for that. So basically what it's doing in the backend is it is replacing my site with the new site which I have just selected. Let me pause the video and I will come back when it's done. So now my root site has been replaced. So let me just refresh the page for one time. As you can see, there is a message of root site replaced. So as you can see, my leadership connection site is having the URL change to the archive and today's date and time. And the site which I have selected, that is a communication site, has my URL pointing to my root site collection. And if I click on this, it will open up my communication site instead of the leadership connection site, and my root site collection has been changed. Okay. The other point is if I want to replace this site with any other site which is not uh, a communication or team site, but instead, let's say Microsoft 365 group site. Uh, I have one of them, let's say this one, copy link. And if I paste it in here, as you can see, when I pasted this, it is saying this site must be a team site or a communication site. It can't be connected to Microsoft 365 group. This my Delta T site is connected to Microsoft 365 group. That's why I cannot use this to replace my root site collection site. Okay, so this is how you can use this feature to get or replace your existing site collection. And if you like my video, you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications when new video is uploaded. Thank you.